What's up everybody? Man, I feel like Chris Hardwick with back-to-back videos here. Before we get started though, let me make a couple of announcements. First of all, thank you so much. We hit the 300 subscriber mark, so I will be swimming with Porkins in my next video. And second, I've been invited to join Adam of Proper Royals on his podcast, which will take place next Tuesday. So tune in for that. I'll put all the information down below. This video, I wanted to record it because I opened up and saw that the babies have shed. So we'll do an identification, sexing, and put them in their new tubs. So stick around and check it out. So before I take the snakes out and take a look at them, sex them, etc., I want to show you where they will be living. Now I know the bioactive people are not going to like this, but I like to keep things really simple. Unprinted newspaper, water bowl, hide, and that's really all they need. They need a hide to feel safe. They need it to be dark. There are some tubs that are completely dark and it acts pretty much like a hide. I have this iris tub here which works with the animal plastic rack. Really good tub because it's super easy to clean and doesn't have any edges on it that things will get stuck on. Works really good for a tub for ball pythons. And they come in various sizes. This is the shoebox rack size. Okay, so let's get those babies and check them out. So the babies have finally shed out. Oh, this one must have been crawling on top because it fell down. I know breeders usually start with the one with the least amount of genes, but let's just go ahead for the banger right here. So right here, we have the Black Pastel Yellow Belly. Again, I'm not ruling out Calico because it's just super crazy. I mean, look at how highlighted orange the dorsal part of this animal is. The pattern is really wacky, especially to the tail. I know with calicos, they get really whacked out towards the tail. Calicos will have bellies that are like yellow bellies. Now this is a yellow belly, and mixed with the calico, it's just like yellow belly to the extreme. So I'm gonna go ahead and call it right now and say this is a Black Pastel Calico Yellow Belly. Now let's see if I'll be able to sex this little one right here. Okay, remove this tub aside. $63 grams for a hatchling. Pretty small, but I bet you this guy is a real good eater and is going to grow fast. Okay, so right here we have the yellow belly. What do you think? Is there calico involved with this? I'm going to call it a straight up yellow belly. Compare the belly with the Black Pastel Yellow Belly Calico, and this one is just not nearly as extreme as that one is. So let's get the sex of this. One's a girl. So male Black Pastel Yellow Belly Calico, female Yellow Belly. I like those odds. Go ahead and let her get set up in her tub. I hope you enjoyed the video. Man, I can't stop smiling. I'm so happy with this clutch. My first clutch in 7 years, and I really want to thank you for joining me on this journey. Before you go, check out this sizzle reel of the entire process that I went through with my first eggs in a long time. So thank you so much, guys. Take care. I'll see you next time.